Well, good morning. Today is the last day aboard the Mare on Fryslan, and we are in Macomb, and we are heading south, only about 17 miles today. So it's a short ride. We'll be able to stop along the way and take a look at the beautiful scenery. So we're looking forward to this ride, and once again, it's against the law for me to hold my camera while I'm riding the bicycle, so I'm not going to be able to do any of that today. But it's been a good week, and we're looking forward to today. Yeah. Have a good day. Start. Another beautiful morning. Let's go say hi to these sheep. Hi. Very cute.
Where's my meal or something good to eat except for all this grass and hay?
Yeah. Back on the road. Morning. We keep stopping to take pictures, and it certainly is beautiful here. Very busy in the little community this morning. So the road turned into this nice little paved bikeway. Hello. Hello. Beautiful bicycle. Beautiful flower arrangement. Hello. Oh, we finally see the sea. Some windsurfers. We've got a big downhill though. Hello. You better get moving, puppy. Go on. Hi. Hi, hi. Thank you. Beautiful ride. So our ride is over for today. It was only about 17 miles, and it was the last day of our tour. But it was a nice day, a lot of fields, beautiful scenery, and very relaxing. So we're going to be having dinner again here at 6 o'clock. I'm sure our chef has made something very nice for us. And we're also setting sail for a final destination. And then in the morning, we're going to head to the airport to stay in a hotel before our flight back to the United States. So we'll talk to you later. are moving forward ever so slightly. As you can see, the water passing the dagger board. Hello. So the sails are all up and we're making our final sail to our port down where the train station is, and we'll be leaving this ship tomorrow. And I'd like to see if we can say hello to the captain. We'd like to say hello to the captain just for a second.
Hello, Steve.
Hi. And so, what is your name? Just first name.
My name is Matthijs.
Matthijs.
Yes, Steve.
And you're the captain of this fine ship. And how many years have you been doing this?
So I've been working on boat bike tour ships for on and off for 6 years.
Very good. Yes. And we've had an excellent trip this week, that's for sure.
Well, that's wonderful to hear.
Yes. Tell me a little bit about this ship. How many meters long is the ship?
So the ship is almost 50 meters long.
Yeah. And the weight of it would be approximately?
Well, it's a couple hundred tons.
Yes. Yeah. And the engine is
300 tons. Yes, about. And a very strong engine.
Yeah.
Used to be a cargo ship before it was converted to a sailing ship.
Okay.
So it has a powerful, enough horsepower.
Very nice. So we've had a good time on this tour with Boat Bike, and they have other tours also?
Oh yeah, many different tours in northwestern Europe, also in southern Europe and in the Baltic.
Yes.
Sailing ships and also relatively small river cruise ships. Yes.
Very good. Well, we're looking forward to doing our next tour. That remains to be seen when or where that will be.
Wow.
But if it's anything like this, we all had a very good time.
Well, we'd love to see you again, Steve.
Yeah. Well, thank you. I don't want to keep you from steering this boat in the right direction or we'll hit the rocks.
Sand. It's all sand here.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
So breakfast is at 8 o'clock as usual. Checkout is at 9:30, and you can, if you're going into town and you want to leave your luggage here and pick it up later, that's not a problem. Nach dem Abendessen oder heute Abend bin ich bereit für die Barbill. Nach dem Abendessen oder später oder. So I said thank you for traveling with us and trusting your holiday with us. Thank you, and who knows, maybe we'll meet again. All of us sometimes work on other bike tours boats, and it every now and then it happens. We meet guests from here, we see them on other boats. Nice. And now I have to give the floor back to the chef, of course, for...
Hey, our questions.
Well, it's time to head home. We had a great trip and we're at Schiphol Airport in the Amsterdam area, and we're getting ready to board our plane. So we fly from here to Dublin, and then after that, from Dublin back to Hartford, Connecticut. So looking forward to the trip. It's a beautiful day, and we'll be boarding in about 5 minutes.
Thank you. Let's see your...
Thank you. Row 14, we go back here. No upgrade, we're on Aer Lingus. And they're going on strike in 3 days. Fortunate to be here. Morning.
Good morning.
This is us. Yes.